Hello, my name is Vincent Wortham and I'm going to unbox a Panasonic AG-HMC80. So let's get started. This arrived by UPS today from Amazon and I'm anxious to get this unboxed and see what we've got. So let's go ahead and open this up. I got this camera so that I could have something to use in the field when I went out on shoots. I have a smaller HD camcorder that I use in the studio, but it's kind of a pain to take it out in the field all the time because I have to change my settings. So I thought that if I had something I could just take out with me and it would already be set up for field work, I thought that would be great. So looks like we've got some packing material here. Let's throw that out. And let's take this out here. Here's what the box looks like. It's the AG-HMC80P. You can see that. Okay. Been watching a lot of videos on this camera on YouTube, and the people that use it seem to like it a lot, so I think I'm probably going to like it as well. Some more packing material. It's like a hood. This is exciting. And here it is. Let's get this out of here. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So this camera is a full HD camera. It's got the 3 MOS here, autofocus, it's got iris settings here, lens hood, let's see what it's got, has some XLR inputs that with the dials here. This is where the XLR cables plug into. Get this off. There we go. Right there. See, this is the Viewfinder. Right there. That opens. There's a microphone here on the front. There's a zoom knob there. And this is where you would put your card. So that just slides right in there. Once you put the card in, the camera is activated. So this is a shoulder mounted camera. Has a focus ring here that can also be programmed to do other things. Let's see, what else can it? Oh yeah, you can use it for zoom or focus. It has a focus assist. Has 3 user buttons that can be programmed to do individual functions. There's a shutter button here. There's shutter speed. What else? We've got zebras. There's zebras here. There's bars. We've got your menu button here. Your up and down, left, right. So I guess that would be play, reverse, stop. You've got an auto button but you can switch to manual. And what else we've got here? Looks like there's a zoom rocker right here. The power switch is right there, if you can see that. Just turn that around this way. And I think that's, oh wait, what do we got here? Got some BNC stuff here. Let's see, component video, video outputs for various things. I probably won't be using that, but this does have an HDMI out, and I definitely will be using that, I'm sure. It also has USB 2.0, which I'm sure I'll be using. And let's see if I can take this off. There we go. So that's what it looks like with the lens hood off. This is a beautiful camera. I can't wait to get out there and start using it. Alright, I'm going to set the camera right there. And let's see what we have in the accessories box. So this looks like a charger. Power cord there, and there's a DC cord that goes there. And there's the power cord. And here's the little DC adapter that goes on the back of the camera that plugs into the charger right there. And this is our little teeny weeny battery that I'm told will last about 90 minutes. So I definitely want to get another one of these. Actually a larger capacity battery. So that'll be one of the first purchases I make for this camera. So you can see the size of the slot here in comparison to this little bitty battery that they gave you. And I think this just slides in there, but look at that slot. So I definitely want a larger capacity battery to fit that slot. And I'll have to get that charged. Here's the remote control. It does come with a battery, so you don't have to run out and grab one. Comes with it. And a strap. Comes with a strap with a nice Panasonic logo on it. Looks like we also have a manual along with some software, which I'll probably never use. No, I'm just kidding. Let's throw that right there. I think there's something else in here with the manual. Let's see. Manual, some precautionary information, miscellaneous, a lot of yada yada stuff in here. There's a limited warranty. I believe this comes with a 1-year limited warranty, and if you register the camera online, I believe you get an additional 2 years for a total of 3 years on the warranty. So I'm definitely going to get this camera registered. And that's it. That's all that you will get in the box if you buy this camera. So that's it. This has been an unboxing of the Panasonic AG-HMC80. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, then please subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.